हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम अली रज़ा क़ज़वी साहब. I am Professor Ghulam Sarwar from Kolkata. It's a matter of great honor that you have remembered me on this occasion when you are celebrating the day of Hafiz, Shirazi, all over the world. Hafiz Shirazi is a household name nowadays all over the world. Wherever the people of art and culture are existing. Especially in India, Hafiz Shirazi is very popular. And if we go back to our past history, we will find the two great kings of India invited Hafiz in his lifetime. One was Mahmud Shah Bahmani II from the Deccan, who invited Hafiz to his court. But Hafiz could not take up that journey and composed a beautiful ghazal, Dame Bagam Basar Burdan Jahan Yaksar Nami Arzat, and sent it to the court of the king. There is another name of Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah of Bengal. He was the king of Ilyas Shahi dynasty. He invited Hafiz to visit his court. And it's very interesting that once he composed a hemistich, Saqi Hadise Sarwo Gulo Lalemi Rawat, but he could not complete the verse by adding another hemistich to the first one. So he wrote a letter to Hafiz Shirazi requesting him to send him the second hemistich. His envoy visited Hafiz at Shiraz and requested him to do so. Hafiz gladly accepted this invitation and composed a beautiful ghazal, starting with a verse, Saqi Hadith Sarwo Gulo Lalemi Rawat, Bin Bahs Basalaw Sayyagas Salemi Rawat. The other verse of the same ghazal is Shakkar Shikan Shavan Hametut Yawnihin Zin Khande Parsi Ki Bebangale Mirawad. Hafiz Shokhe Majlis Sultan Ghayas Din Ghafil Mashaw Ki Kar to Asnale Mirawad. Hafiz چقدر مقبول و محترم در هند بود واضح شده. تشکر.